Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This property is turnkey ready, ideal for the discerning owner who likes easy access to services, great for an extended family, with the main building being 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and an annex being a self-contained flat. Property can be used as an income earner, close to schools, clinics, supermarkets, restaurants, beaches, and the golf course. The land area of this house is approximately 8,828 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of. But I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
The asking price for this house is Jamaican 40 million or US $260,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.